You think this is a real situation, or just one of these bullshit episodes?
Oh, no. You never know, Lulu.
Well, hey, Adam, how's your girlfriend?
Oh, really bad.
Okay.
Hi, folks. I'm Dr. Jeff. Lou's resting. He's denying that it was a suicide attempt, and medically he's stable, so legally we can't keep him here. But we do think that he should be monitored for a few days. Does he have any family?
Lou's family all kind of hate him.
Okay, well then I guess it's up to you guys, his friends. You're his friends, right?
It's like that friend who's the asshole, but he's our asshole.
Right. Yeah. Why? I mean, make a list. He's an alcoholic, he's divorced, wife for an off-that Jamaican guy.
He's failed at every job, has money hustle he's ever tried.
He has a mountain of debt.
He hates his mother.
Hates everyone.
He has erectile dysfunction.
Doses.
Let's get that front ball.
Huh.
One of his balls was like shriveled up, like a spoiled grape or something.
Just like an accumulation of punishment.
Everything you're saying.